Here's a little recipe for you, grilled pork chops by the Ninja Foodie XL. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Hey again, and welcome to Glam Girl TV. Today, I'm going to talk to y'all about my Ninja. And the reason why I want to talk to y'all about that is because I really haven't talked about food in a minute or so. So I kind of wanted to get back into the kitchen and show you guys what I've been using to cook my food. So let me go ahead and show you a quick pic of what my Ninja looks like. As you can see, this is the start or power button, not necessarily start. And then once you get this on, you're gonna actually pick which one you wanna do. So let's just say you wanna grill, because that's most of the time what I do, grill. So most of the time it's gonna be on high, but you wanna try and choose the preset, this button right here. So you're gonna press preset, and depending on what you have in here, if you have beef, you can pick on this button if you want it to be rare, medium, or medium well. You got to keep hitting the buttons to where what you want it to be. 8, 9, and 10 I think are well. So let's say that's not the right preset. You hit this button right here to get to the next one, which the next one's chicken. And then, like I said, you go here to make sure if you want it rare, medium rare, to well done. Let's say you want pork chops. Okay. We don't want it. We want it well. I know pork is one of those things that you have to cook well. And then once you pick what you're cooking, let's say we're cooking pork today, you're going to hit start. Now it's going to start this beeping noise, and that's basically it preheating for the temperature that it needs to get to for you to add your food. Once this is done preheating, it will say add food. And I'm going to show you a clip of that in a second. Okay, you see how it says add food? You then grab whatever meat you have and make sure that you put it evenly across the skillet plate so that it can all cook evenly. You'll see me move around the pork chops quite a few times just to make sure I have them all in the right spot. This recipe is, the pork chops are actually seasoned with the Italian seasoning that you see on the side with some olive oil and some Lea & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. As you can see, this is the thermometer that they give you to insert on the side of the Ninja. It literally inserts just like a jack would for like a headset or a headphone set. You just click it into the side. They want you to place that in the middle of whatever meat you decide to cook, just so that it can give you the temperature halfway through, because right here on the side, it's going to give you what the temperature should be with the preset that you've pressed. Like if you want it medium well or well done, it will say it on the side what that temperature should be. So once you place the thermometer in the middle of the meat, it will give you what the actual temperature is at that precise moment so that you know if it has longer to cook or not. So the Ninja that I'm talking to y'all about today is called the Foodie, and I'm reading off of the little menu it gives you. The Foodie Smart XL Grill. Okay, if you know me, you know that I have the hardest time cooking grilled chicken. I have a little griddle pan that I normally would cook grilled chicken on, and typically I would use that on days that I didn't want to fry chicken, because I gotta be honest, my fried chicken is bomb. My grilled chicken sucks until I got this Ninja Foodie. I gotta say another thing, my husband absolutely hates to grill. So to get him to grill outside on the barbecue pit is like pulling teeth. So if I didn't use the griddle plate inside, I wasn't getting grilled chicken. So I will show you the little pamphlet it gives you inside of the Ninja Foodie, which is in my thumbnail. It shows you, it says on here that it's got 15 mouth-watering recipes inside. I have used this as a guide to cook, like for the, I want to say it was the pork chops. I looked to see what temperature to cook it at. If I can ever find it. Just because I'm looking for it, I'm not going to find it. But look, this one's a cool one. It's got the corn on the cob. I would totally eat that. Anything with carbs, right? All right, so why did I get the Ninja Foodie? I didn't actually buy the Ninja Foodie. I want to be completely honest with you. It was gifted to me before Christmas, but for Christmas as a gift. And it was a family gift. It wasn't just a gift for me. But I did receive it and from a family member. And I gotta say, it is a game changer for grilling chicken. And grilling in general, to be honest, because I used to grill the pork chops. It's like a 1/2-inch pork chop that you get from like Walmart or Target. I would grill those on the griddle pan and it would be all right. It would be dried out, but then it would still be all right, you know? But when I got the Ninja Foodie, it was so much better. I don't know what it does as far as how it cooks it, but the juices are still intact inside of the meat. It's so delicious. I do have a small little recipe that I'm going to insert in this video of how I cook the pork chops, just so that I can give you a little insight on how I cook those, because those actually really do come out great. Okay, so prior to the Ninja, like I said, I was cooking on a griddle plate. And I don't know, I would either overcook the chicken or I would undercook the chicken every single time. But this way, it actually gives you instructions in here and tells you, this is the other pamphlet you get, by the way. It gives you instructions on how to use the Ninja. And basically, it's foolproof. So if you can't cook grilled chicken after using this, then God help you, because this is pretty simple. And the first time I ever used it, I was literally, whoever reads pamphlets, literally, I never read pamphlets. I'm like, I'll just figure it out on my own. I mean, how many people do that? I do that all the time. I'm like, who needs instructions? I'm gonna just figure out how to put it together on my own. But so the first time I ever used it, I just winged it and it still came out good. That's how easy it is to use. I can say prior to the Ninja, I have used the George Foreman grills, which I don't know if you've ever used that before, but your food tastes rubbery. I'm sorry. It just does. I was never a fan of the George Foreman grill. I only used it because my husband was adamant about using the George Foreman grill to lose weight. So we used it for a period of time, actually multiple periods of time when we was on weight loss journeys. And I just did not like how the chicken came out. First of all, it was dry in the inside. And second of all, it just tasted fake. It tastes like fake chicken to me. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that, but it just did. In these steps, I'm going to insert into the video. You're going to see how to, or where to push the buttons, how to make the temperatures move or change or what have you, and what presets to use. It is quite simple to use, so I wouldn't say that it's like rocket science. They also give you a couple of recipes in here to use. So it's, all in all, I say it's a great product if you're looking to get, by the way, it's not just a grill. It's an air fryer, grill, dehydrator, and what else does it say? Air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, dehydrate, It's got like so many multiple things that you can use it for. I gotta say one thing about it though. I did try and do a Totino's pizza because a friend of mine told me, try it out, see how you like it for that, because the air fryer that I have, that I use on a regular basis to do like leftover pizza or any kind of frozen fried food, that you just want to throw in the air fryer. I did try and use it for that. And I gotta say that both times that I tried it, it did not turn out well. So I don't know if it's just something that I'm doing wrong, because I literally just threw it in, pressed air crisp, and I wanted to see what it did. It did not come out right. It really, truly, it felt like it crisped the top and the bottom was like soggy, or I don't know, it just felt like it was mushy. So I don't know if you have one of these and you've tried it already and you know the secret to getting it all around crisp, let me know. But, so it is, it says it's the series FG550. It does say that at the top if you're looking to get one of these. But I can say that it's a game changer in grilling. If you're not a griller outside, it's totally easy inside, and cleanup is even simpler. I'll insert that video now. So if it's just dirty, like you see here, it literally is the easiest thing to just rinse off. I'm guessing because it's a non-stick plate, you can literally just rinse off all the residue from it. So it's pretty easy cleanup. Make sure to get the back as well. Okay guys, just letting you know what my rating is on this actual product. I do rate it a 10 out of 10, only because I cook 4 to 5 nights out of 7 nights a week. And I would say that if I had the money to go buy this, after using it as many times as I did, I would totally go buy another one. I definitely think it's a game changer if you grill chicken on a daily, or if at least you grill chicken multiple times a week. This is your grill. You definitely need to go look into getting one of these. If you need to look at more YouTube videos, I suggest you do so, because I'm sure that there's other videos that actually tell you more about the product. I just wanted to kind of give you a little review on how my experience was with the Ninja Air Crisp and Grill, Foodie Smart XL Grill. And I just wanted to tell you what I thought about it. And I actually think it's really great. Like I said, it's a total game changer. So go out, get you one, and have a great one. Bye.